Let's talk about 5 mistakes every developer should avoid if you want to be truly good at your job. Number 1, only doing tutorials. If all you're doing is following tutorials, you're not actually learning. You're just repeating what someone else built. To grow, you need to build real projects. Experiment. Make mistakes. That's where real learning happens. Number 2, not understanding the code. Copying from Stack Overflow without knowing what the code does, that's dangerous. If it works, it's luck. And luck won't help you when things go wrong. Always take the time to read, break down, and fully understand the code you use. Number 3, ignoring soft skills. Being good at coding isn't enough. If you can't explain your ideas, take feedback, or work with a team, you'll struggle no matter how skilled you are. Communication, patience, and collaboration are just as important as clean code. Number 4, running from errors. Errors are not the enemy. They are part of your daily job. When you see a bug or crash, don't panic. Slow down, read the error message, trace the issue, fix it step by step. That's what professional developers do. Number 5, thinking you're done learning. Technology evolves constantly. Languages change. Tools improve. If you stop learning, you'll fall behind fast. The best developers are students for life. They read, explore, build, and keep sharpening their skills every single day. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you'll stand out, not just as a developer, but as a teammate people trust and want to work with. No shortcuts, no ego, just growth. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made and how did you fix them?